So guys, how una dey? Today's head wrap is very simple. This is turban, and the scarf I'm holding is stretchy materials as in turban materials. So you can see how I'm folding it at back. Then you raise it up like this. Guys, please and please, I'm begging you. I'm on my link begging you. Please help me share my video. Help me share my video. Please, I'm begging you guys. Help me share my video. Please and please. Always engage on my video. Whenever you see it, you comment about what you see, like, and also help me to share. So I'm trying to tie it very well. That is what I'm doing. So and also adjusting it. Then after this now I'm going to bring it to the front, the hand. That is what I'm doing now. So then put rubber band. You can see. Then put rubber band at that place. Yeah. So after putting rubber band, then the back, we need to adjust the back very well, but let's just do the front. Then you take it to the back, that hand, take it to the back. To those that always share my video, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I always appreciate. Thank you. So then we'll take it to the back, bring the hand to the front again. So the one with laser work, I'm going to do what you see what I'm doing. I'm trying to adjust it very well. Then try to find somewhere there to soak it in. Yeah, you can see. So this hand now we are to use this to do what? We want to bring it out from the rubber band. Just wait and see what I'm doing. And then I need to arrange it very well. This is to cover it very well from the back. Then bring it out, soak it and bring it out inside the rubber band. As you can see. uh So we have to lay it on it so that the rubber band will not even show at all. That is what I'm trying to do. We don't want the rubber band to do what? To appear at all. So you see, then take it to the back. And you take it to the back, you're going to soak it anywhere you want your own to be. You see that I prefer my own to be as at one side, you see on this side. But if you want your own to be like the middle of your hair at the center, you can also do it. But this is what I prefer for mine. So as you can see guys, we are almost done. Please guys, I'm begging you, always help me to share my video, always engage on my post. See you guys in my next video. Now, what did you think about the style? Write it at the comment section. Okay, see you in my next video guys. Bye.